Because otherwise they do, like, if you bring them right down the middle like that, they'll just tend to keep going.
So I have her like this. Notice when we do the rolls to Superman, in order to get her hip, I actually found it on her hip.
Because we have to sidestep it just a little bit because it's been so let's just skip the roll.
Okay. So pretend we've just done a roll. We're just going to rotate her. I'm going to get her hip, move her around forward, and hand switch back to the position.
Yeah, that is pretty sweet.
So roll put on.
Yeah. All right, so notice how I'm like this. I kind of stuck my thumb out just a little